This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. My name is Ashlyn Jackson. I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Jackson. We'll go ahead and do your weekly weather briefing for the week of Thursday, May 23rd. So, important updates for today. We do have potential for some severe weather this afternoon through the weekend. And also through the weekend, we're going to have potential for dangerous heat. Um, which we haven't seen in a while. So we'll go over that. So this is a look at the current radar. As of about 10 minutes ago, we do have some storms rolling in out of southeastern Arkansas. Right now, they look like they're staying pretty tame for us, but expect that to change this afternoon as we have rising instability. We're getting a lot hotter this afternoon, so expect some storms to go up, and we have some severe potential with that. So, a storm system out of the northwest is expected to bring scattered to isolated potential for severe storms. The main risks with this really are going to be the damaging winds and the hail quarter to golf ball size. But we also have potential for tornadoes. That is not the number one threat for this system, but be wary that down here you never know. So, we always have to include that. And the timing is mainly going to be this afternoon and evening. Expect us to update that timing in our forecast update to potentially have more specific timing as well. Also, the potential for the slight risk to move a little bit further south is also on the table. We have our forecasters out there um, really evaluating the situation. We're thinking that the main instability and potential for any storms in that slight risk area is going to move a little bit more south. So expect us to have an update a little bit later on that. For tomorrow, we're going to have a boundary hang up over our area. So this is really going to contribute to us having an elevated potential for severe storms really through the weekend. Several rounds of storms are going to be possible due to this shifting frontal boundary. And the main threats as of now are going to be damaging wind gusts and hail quarters up to quarter size. And we're not ruling out a tornado. And the main timing for this is going to be in those peak heating hours. So from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. I also want to mention that we don't have Monday on this graphic, but right now we're kind of evaluating models. They're variable right now, but they are looking a little bit more cohesive. And we could have that potential for severe weather on Monday. We don't have anything outlooked as of now, but potentially expect that to change over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours. We're not expecting a whole lot of precipitation over the next 7 days. We really outlook for less than half an inch of rain. However, in those pockets where we have really good rain rates, we could get a higher amount of rain. But our highest potential for precipitation is going to be really in northern Mississippi. For our 7 day high temperature outlook, we are going to have above average temperatures this weekend as we have a mid-level ridge that's going to intensify over our region. So we're looking at high temperatures really in the lower 90s on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And really kind of begin to decrease by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We're also going to see our highest potential for heat indices in the upper 90s really occur on Saturday and Sunday, and that's what this next slide is. So we're not quite at our 100 to 105 threshold to have a heat advisory out, but we do want to bring awareness that this is going to be have the potential for some fatigue for those who are outside for an extended period of time due to us being a little bit cooler over the last couple of weeks. So this will be kind of a new kind of realm of temperatures coming in. So to summarize, we have our highest threat for severe weather going to be this afternoon into this evening, but we also have potential for isolated severe storm chances Friday into the weekend, mostly north of I-20, but we also have an increasing potential for Monday as well. And above normal temperatures are going to be expected over the weekend, and we're going to have those heat indices in the upper 90s. And with that, I will stay on the line for any questions. Thank you all for joining us today.